Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games. Easy and quick. First problem is when you click on it here it says running and then it went back to launch. And if you want to fix that, all you need to do just go to your files and then go to documents and now go to my games and then click Rocket League. And then click this one here, TA game, and here we'll find cache. Click on it and click right click on it and then click delete. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now it means that you need just click on your profile here and now click settings, scroll down until you will find it like that. Enable cloud saves. If you find it like that, all you need to do just disable it, just turn it off and then go back and go to your files again and documents and then my games, and here we'll find Rocket League. Now all you need to do just right click on it, rename, and then type here alt, and that's it. Now just go back and try to launch it again and it will be worked. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.